Japanese loot boxes, my favorite ones. Welcome back to Beat the Box. We need to pull cards that are more worth than the box itself. This one is only 20 euros, so it should be easy. One collector rare should easily do the trick. Let's see what we get. I spent most of my TCG life in the Shadow Realms with Yugi. Went to tournaments twice every week. I loved that a lot, so I wanted to check back and see if it's still fun. Really a long time since I have opened the last time a Yu-Gi-Oh pack. So we got Wild Survivors, 7 cards per pack. I'm not sure if they always been 7 or 9. First edition English, and there is the possibility to pull some amazing collector rares or even a anniversary card, 25th anniversary. Boom, first rare. Oh, these are all rares, right? I remember this one. This one was pretty fun back then. And Pueltas de Novels. Alright, first pack super rare. I'm really out of the meta of the game. I'm not sure what turn 1, turn 2 combo is winning right now. So this set is all about Transcendrakes, fancy restaurants and meals, and the Vanquish Soul stuff. These should be pretty powerful, but yeah, I'm not sure how playable these cards are. I've just read some about the set. Shouldn't be too bad, because you can build a lot of the existing stuff with this together. Xeno, Meteoros. I think all these super rares are pretty useless, at least value wise. So the only thing I know is, I also remember this card. And there's this Hamburger fusion card, the blue one. If you pull this one, would be pretty meme. So far only super rares. Nothing exciting. So yeah, only thing we need is actually collector's rare. Everything on top is pretty neat.
Oh my
First,
god!
ultra rare. Nouvelles Restaurant at Table. Okay, considering this is the first good pull. Another super rare. I'm not sure which pack is this. These black cards are pretty cool, but they look kind of fake. And another super rare. Amazing. So yeah, the expectation is not so high, but maybe there's a banger hidden somewhere in the pack. Ooh, we got Rock of the Vanquisher. I don't know this border style, but at least it's an ultra rare. So let's continue with the other side. Ooh. These are nice to open, pretty easy. Fish recipe. And Bale Grill. So maybe the left side, the left pile is the hot one. I think we pulled both ultra rares from the left side. Nope, not a super rare. So the bangers must be in the back of it, right? There has to be one good pack. Oh, enemy controller. This one was one of my deck cards. And another Transcendrake. So maybe one hamburger for the meme. And fish recipe. That's great. Not sure if the lightning can be better. Pluton. So yeah, nothing big. This box seems pretty lame so far. Yep. There's 2 ultra rares normal, no? Yeah. I'm not sure about the pull rates. Oh, we got the Hangry Burger. At least we got the meme one. Pretty nice. I remember this from back then. This was legit in the starter deck or something like that. This, at least a nice super rare. Okay, collector's rare left. We got everything else. Nope. How many left? Like 7. Lucky number 7. There has to be one, right? No. Xeno, we got this one already, I think. No. 5 to go. Nope. Super rare again. 4 to go. This looks like Dark Hole. I think this every time I see it. Another Bear Grill. Alright. So it's getting pretty exciting about the last packs. These can't be only all super rares, right? Meat recipe. Got fish and meat. Got the restaurant. We got all the recipes. The only thing we need is the special thing on the menu, the collector's rare. Another ultra rare. Heavy burger. Not sure, but good. For this opening, it's good. So the last one has to be the collector's rare, Dr. Madlove or something. Let's see, let's see. Double penetration pull and the fish recipe. I think this pretty much is a rip. So the best pulls we got here is the ultra rares, the Vanquish Soul, Heavy Burger, Machine, Rock of the Vanquisher, Rock Link, and the restaurant. Let me know if this one was good. I will check it afterwards. Thank you for watching. Likes and comment, and see you in the next one. Peace.